In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IDW Interpolation tool in ArcGIS Pro. IDW stands for Inverse Distance Weighting. The purpose of this tool is to estimate unknown values, given a set of points. The IDW technique is completely mathematical in nature. It assumes that closer values are more related than further values using a power function. So let's give it a try. In our map, we have a set of temperature points, spread out across the state of Pennsylvania. As you can see, the temperature values are in Fahrenheit, and it appears to be hotter in the southwest compared to the rest of Pennsylvania. We know the temperature at these exact locations. But how do we estimate temperature where we don't have known values? The answer is that we can use interpolation tools like IDW. Let's go ahead and try this out with an example. Go to the Analysis tab and click Tools. Now type in IDW in the search bar. Depending on which license you have, you can use any one of these. I'll click the IDW tool that requires the Spatial Analyst license. First, you'll have to enter your input points. In our case, it's the temperature points. Next, you'll have to set a z-value. This will be your field that has the data you want to interpolate. So for us, it's the temp field. Let's just leave the output raster name as it is. The cell size is something you should pay close attention to. You don't want to go too big or too small. I'll select a 1000 meter cell size for our output. For the power value, I'm going to keep it as 2. If you have a power of 1, it smooths out the interpolated surface. If you increase the power to 2, it increases the influence of each point so it has more localized peaks. I'll just leave this setting as the default. But this is something that you should really test with your data for the desired output. There are other inputs you can change, such as the number of points or maximum distance. You can also include barriers, which could help prevent certain points from being used during the interpolation. Let's just leave these settings as it is, and push the Run button. Okay, it looks like it's finished processing, but hang on a sec. I'm just going to change the symbology of the output raster. So as you can see from the output raster, we now have a temperature surface. Based on this color scheme, it really does look much hotter in the southwest of Pennsylvania. We can also use this output raster to make temperature predictions wherever we don't have sample points. Alright, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please like or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.